Today, we will talk about using Cryptoucan every day. There are two operations you will probably do with your Cryptoucan quite often. Digitally signing documents and decrypting messages someone sent you. For both, you need to use the software of your choice to initiate the transaction, and it will automatically use Cryptoucan to perform the desired operation. To continue, Cryptoucan will prompt you to enter your user PIN indicated by the green shining number 1 on the left to unlock the secret key and do the signing or decryption. As you can see, when you have 3 or more attempts to enter the PIN, the green smiley face on the right is lit. Cryptoucan does not reveal how many digits you have to enter, but it will show you the number of digits you have already entered on the 2-digit 7-segment display in the middle. If you think you made a mistake, just press the X mark in the lower left corner. To confirm, press the hexagon in the lower right corner of the PIN pad. If you entered the wrong PIN, you can always try again by following the same steps in your software. But be careful, when you have only 2 attempts left, the yellow mediocre smiley face will be lit on the right. And if you are really unlucky, or you do not know the PIN, and you end up with only 1 attempt remaining, the red sad smiley face will be lit on the right. If you enter a wrong PIN when the red sad smiley face is shining, you are out of luck and your Cryptoucan is locked and can be unlocked only by providing the administrative PIN. As you can see, using Cryptoucan for basic cryptographic operations is pretty straightforward and everyone can do it without any problems. Thank you for watching. And remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter.